Hello, AI enthusiasts. Welcome to a new deep dive. Most videos on machine learning start with complex code but skip the geometric foundations. In this video, we want to show something different, the visual intuition of vectors and matrices that actually makes the math feel obvious. Think of a vector as a specific step on a map. It is not just a list of numbers, it is a movement with a direction and a distance. If you are a hiker, a vector tells you exactly how many units to walk east and how many to walk north to reach your destination. In machine learning, every piece of data, like the pixels in an image, is just a point reached by one of these directional arrows. Now that we have our directions, how do we change them? This is where matrices come in. Instead of looking at a matrix as a boring box of numbers, imagine it as a way to warp the map itself. Think of our map printed on a stretchy rubber sheet. A matrix transformation is like grabbing the edges of that sheet and pulling. You might stretch the map, rotate it, or squash it down. This warping is how neural networks process information. When you multiply a vector by a matrix, you are simply seeing where that original step lands on the newly warped map. In the real world, our map is rarely perfect. It is often covered in a thick fog of uncertainty. Imagine you are trying to predict where a raindrop will land on a sidewalk. While you cannot predict a single drop, a pattern emerges. This pattern is what we call a distribution. The most famous one, the normal distribution, looks like a bell. It tells us that most data points will cluster around the center, while extreme values become rarer as we move away. In machine learning, we use these curves to guess how likely a certain outcome is when the data is noisy. To navigate the fog, we need two key measurements, expectation and variance. Expectation is the long-term average. Think of a lighthouse beam pointing to where you expect to find the shore. Variance measures how much the light scatters. High variance means the data is spread out and unpredictable. Low variance means the data is tightly packed and consistent. Machine learning models try to find the perfect expectation while minimizing the variance to stay reliable. Finally, we reach the goal, optimization. This is the process of training a model to be as accurate as possible. Imagine our map has become a three-dimensional landscape. Our goal is to find the lowest point in the deepest valley. This is like rolling a ball down a hill in the dark. You cannot see the bottom, but you can feel the slope. By always stepping in the direction that goes down, called gradient descent, you eventually reach the minimum error. By mastering these visual foundations, you now understand the true engine that drives every intelligent algorithm. Subscribe for more deep dives into the mathematics of machine learning.